Still managing your business with scattered Google Docs, messy Trello boards, in 17 open tabs like it's 2015. I've been building online businesses for a couple of years. Let me tell you that chaos is costing you money, time, and focus. Switching to Notion did not just organize my systems, it gave me control. In this video, I'll show you how I use Notion to run my entire business, projects, clients, finances, content, team OPS, all from one place. And the best part is totally free. So the real problem with traditional tools that most of the tools solve one problem but creates five others. Google Docs, less structure, project tools don't talk to your notes. It just create noises. What you need is a system that connects everything so your business becomes smoother, not more complicated. So why Notion? Choosing Notion because it is like a digital brain for your business. Think docs, spreadsheets, task managers, CRMs, custom built for your work. And the beauty, everything's linked. Update a client's status and it reflects across your dashboard, your meeting notes, your sales pipeline. No syncing, no switching apps. So let's jump into it. At the end of this video, I'll be giving you this template which I've been using for couple of months now, and it's helping me a lot. So here's how I have structured my Notion setup for my business. First of all, it's home dashboard, like the brainstorming ideas, idea tracking. Like there are some 3 a.m. ideas that will actually form, but you don't know, you'll have a pen and paper to write. You can simply take out your phone and write it right here. Cool. In this one, there are also a lot of more templates. You can use whatever you want, whatever you want. Like if you want here, this one is for industry analysis. Like if you're trying to get into some new industry, but you don't know how to do it, you can just simply come here, and as you can see, it has the product. Everything is written here. All you have to do is to just customize it as much as you need. In this one, you will be able to generate names with Notion, like simply give the product description right here. Inspiration, if you want, if you have anything in your mind, is simply give that. It's after generating that, it will generate your product details from, as you can see right here. It has also one for business model canvas. Another one is exploratory calls. Obviously, with Notion AI, you don't have to integrate any other apps. Even but the idea generation of this is great. After that, go to the launch section, and that was the only idea section. In total, their idea, launch, fundraise, scale, all templates. Okay, let's go to all, and here you will be able to see all of them. Like to fundraise, you can, it has a pitch, sales pitch also, like board updates, investor data. If you have big email list of investors, you can add them right here. Upload all of your investors document right here. It's a simplify the game change. To simplify the game, the CRM. Not only that, you can also getting the marketing, everything, like from the company website to the marketing, everything. It has the same, like with this template. If you don't even have any idea or anything to sell, you will be able to find them with the help of this website, as simple as that. So after that, it has also the sales page, like the company matrix, company home. You can customize it as much as you want. Literally, you can add everything right here. As you will see, expenses, policy, benefits. You can add all of your goals, whatever you want. You can add the owners of them, owners of your shareholder of your companies if you want. There's a lot of things. If you can optimize it as much as you're liking, we can literally build a beast in this. In this one, you can add the daily tasks, even the marketing systems for your team, also the designing the system, building whatever you want to make. It has literally a template for everything you want to run your business smoothly. And by the way, these are the Notion features I rely on daily. like from databases with filters and relation. Think about Excel plus Airtable, but with easier ways. Link views. I can link every page, see the same data in different ways. And with this template, I just have to create once, use forever. I have templates for client onboarding meetings, campaigns, as you have already saw. And with team collaboration, we can use those. I literally use all of the in templates. Notion is not just where I take notes, it's where I run my clients, my cash flow, my content, my entire business. And now it can run yours. For this business OS inside Notion, I'm giving you this for free. I've linked below. No sign up, no catch, just pure system power. And if you're tired of the chaos, this is your moment to fix it. Hit that like button if this saved your time. Smash that subscribe if you want to scale smarter. And if you want the next level automations, add onboarding, hands free workflows, comment system, and I'll make a video about everything.